Hello guys. Hello guys. Tisvike upano. Tisvike upano my diaries. I'm so humbled for this opportunity. Yandapuwa na SIS MELLY. I hope everyone can hear me. Shakanaka. I hope everyone can hear me. Shakanaka. My voice is a bit hoarse. Niuda kwe flu. I had flu the past days. So I just hope everyone can hear me. Shakanaka. Thank you so much, SIS MELLY, for giving me this opportunity. Yekuva pana papa my diaries. It's actually an honor that I don't take for that I don't. You can't hear me. Chrissy, hamuskundinzwa. Oh my God. Ndowedzera ere volume ye voice because the computer yangu volume iri pafoni. Hi guys, can you hear me now? No volume. Guys, data saying don't track my headphones. Melody saying arikundinzwa. What about everyone? Can you now hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Honeypot is saying volume. Guys, can I change the gadget? Or Dudu is saying they can hear me. My kitten, alright. Thank you so much. So I want to first thank SIS MELLY for giving me the honor of coming on this platform. Thank you so much, SIS MELLY and team. I'm truly humbled, and it's something chandisingatori for granted. I'm truly grateful. So my diaries, kanama kundinzwa. Video rukuita say amuskundoona. Ndikushandisa computer ngirikini Kate. Ndikushandisa computer, so I don't know is it because of my is it because of computer or something? It's perfect. Mary saying loud and clear. So let me introduce myself. My name is Helen Tatenda Kajau. I'm an author of a new book, Renonzi Journey Within, and I'm also Bianga Taurisa. Alright, we can do it the volume. Hi guys, my name is Helen Kajau. I hope now you can hear me. Hi Priscilla, hi Fungai. I hope you can hear me Shakanaka now going forward. Pa free mode. What do you mean pa free mode? Because ndikushandisa computer koni. Ndikushandisa computer. Maybe it's because of my voice really low. So let me just try to increase the volume shakanaka so that you can all hear me. Kana panchinge pane asiri kundinzwa shakanaka munongondiudza machats. I'll be then chitarisa. So my name is Helen Tatenda Kajau. I'm an author of a book rakabuda muswa 17 December 2022, and the book is called Journey Within. I'm also a transformational life coach, and my main focus is on personal development coaching and inner healing coaching. Hi Mary, hi Swema, All right, Maria, I'm happy if you all can hear me. So, I'm an inner healing enthusiast. I live by this belief, Yekuti, everything that we want is within us. Everything that we want in life is already inside us. And I also like, if every one of us, we can look at everything that is happening in the world, nenyaya yema mental health issues, nenyaya yema suicides, tikatarisa ma-suicides are kuitika. A lot of people, we are so helpless because of everything that is happening. And takatarisa ma-statistics e-mental health, you realize kuti zvakafanana neku-South Africa, 23 people commit suicide each day in South Africa. It's something that is worrying. So in me personally, I believe kuti as humanity, if we come together and start building sisterhoods, brotherhoods, a community of love, non-judgmental spaces, tichitaura nyaya yekusimudzirana kwete kushorana, yekusimbisana not kudzikisirana, I believe we can create a better world. Hence this show inonzi Soulfood with Helen. So I just want to give you a brief background yekuti show yekuti Soulfood with Helen yakabvipa. I'm sure you have all heard about the story yakabuda end of 2020 ye this lady anonzi Emuda Mazani wokuchivu, who killed 4 kids. Here 4 kids vana vake akavacheka vese vakafa. And as I was scrolling yayo yakanetsa pano pa social media, a lot of people vaipa ma opinions avo. Some people were saying kuti ane mweya, some people were judging her, some people were saying zvavanofunga, which is okay. But zvakandipa kufunga kuti, you know guys, let's be real, hakuna amai vanozvara vana 4 panyika vanongomuka one day and just want kuti vana vangu vafe. The truth is, people, kana uchienda through a lot of mental health issues, zvinokukanganisa kufunga, zvinokubvisa in your natural way of thinking, zvekuti you end up doing the unthinkable. Zvakandipa kuti nditange this show inonzi Soulfood with Helen, and I've been doing it from 2020. And right now SIS MELLY vandipa platform yekuti ndiunze pano pama-diaries, kuti those who are open to it and are willing to learn more about how to heal their emotional wounds, those who are willing to find tools and ways to navigate through my challenges, through my obstacles in life, through my adversities atinosangana nawo muupenyu. This is the show for you. I'll be coming here kana ndikawana mukana at least once a week, so that we talk about nyaya mental health, and we talk about nyaya kuti how do we heal, how do we navigate through some of the dark storms in life. And this is the community yekuti tisangane pamwe chete, tichitaura, tichisimbisana, tichi-encourageana, because the one thing for sure is the journey of life is full of ma-twists, nema-turns, nezvinhu zviri uncertain. And in my book, Journey Within, it's all about learning to go inside yourself, to love yourself, to be there for yourself. Because we live majority upenyu hwedu tichida validation from other people, tichinyanyoteerera external influence, vanhu vanofunge pamusoro pangu, vanhu vari kuti pamusoro pangu, that we abandon the inner child ari matiri. And that inner child ari matiri, all they want is love, all they want is compassion. Until we learn to take that journey from your mind to your heart, reconnecting with your heart center, we'll continue to struggle with mental health issues. So what I'm saying is the reason why tichistrugla zvakanyanya nekufungisisa, I'm also one of those people, and I wrote the story in my book Journey with Them about my experiences with mental health issues. So whoever is going through my mental health issues, I want you to know this: you are not alone. This is the community yakreatwa naSIS MELLY kuti ndiuye paplatform yavo ndichitaurawo what I have learned, zvandinozivawo zvishoma. I know it's not easy to navigate kufungisisa, kuremerwa, kurwadziswa, because in life we face it all. Guys, this journey of life, if I want to tell you one thing, this is a learning journey. Every day of our lives, we are facing my circumstances. Not push us sometimes to forget who we are, to disconnect from our true authentic selves. Because mukazvitarisa, guys, when you are born and you come into this world as a young baby, you will be so connected to your true self. You will be so carefree. You will go in a freedom, uri spontaneous, uri content, and you can't tell a baby and 9 months you are ugly or namasino kana utokasara mukaka. You know, they are so full of themselves. But what happens when you grow up? We disconnect from our truth because we start getting conditioned by the society, by the culture, and they tell us who we are, which is far from the truth that we know ourselves to be. So as we talk about mental health, as we talk about inner healing, it's all about coming back to yourself, to remember who you are, to remember who you were before the world yauya nema-opinions ayo, yauya kuzokunyepera kuti iwewe wakashata, you are not worthy, you are not enough, you are ugly, you are a failure. Iwewe deep down in your heart, you know the truth. So the journey is about unlearning those old conditioning. It's about unpacking all those traumas. It's about unburying sema wounds and healing your inner being, reconnecting with love, giving yourself so much love. You wanna spend your whole life trying to get it from other people. And I love talking about these issues. I love teaching about this, and I hope guys could see you open yourself to these issues, and we can talk about mental health, reconnecting to our true selves, remembering love, and remember our truth. I just want to show you my book. After going through my own challenges with mental health issues, I struggled my entire life. In fact, I didn't know kuti kune chinhu chinonzi mental health. Pandainzwa about mental health, I always thought kuti ndezvevanhu vanopenga, vanhu vakarasika njere. And my journey has taught me a lot through going to therapy, through going to life coaching, and I managed to get into a space where I wrote a book called Journey with Them. This is the book that I wrote, and I published this book in December, on the 17th of December. And what this book is 8 hours of therapy in a book. And if you are someone who's ready to take the journey within, kumbosiya zviri kuitika outside, kumbosiya kuchesa external validation, vanhu vari kutichi about me, wombotora this journey back inside your soul, reconnect to your heart center, and remember who you are as a soul. Because the truth is, you are not just your body. You are way bigger than you think. You are enough. You are valuable. Hakuna chinhu chiri external. No amount of accolades, of material positions that can validate or kukupa true value yako chaiyo or your worth. Kuti wewe you are worth $1 million. That's a human construct. Mari human construct. Fame human construct. Zvese zvatinochesa tichidefine as success. True success is found in the journey. True success is found in reconnecting with yourself, with your truth, starting to live your truth, not to deny it, not to dismiss your truth or whatever your experiences arusangana nawo kana or to reject kuti zviri kuitikirei and kuzvibvunza kuti why is this happening to me. The truth is everything chiri kuitika muupenyu hwako is happening for you to help you take the journey. This is the only journey, guys, that is important. This is the only journey that matters, the journey within, because this is where everything zvaunoda muupenyu hwako is. And I'm so excited for the coming days. I'll be coming here to share some of the tools, of the concepts, but I can't do it without your engagement. So guys, feel free like anyone anenge ane questions, you can just put them in a chat box here this live, and then tinomapindura pama next live edu ekuti tichitaura kuti toita sei guys, tisimbisane, tisafungisise. That is the journey tese yatiri. This is the community. We are a tribe, we are a community. Together we can rise and conquer all these mental health issues. We can rise and come together. We ensure kuti apana mumwe wedu angazosvike pakuomerwa nezvekuti tingacommit suicide or tingave so depressed to the extent yekuti hatichazivi kokuita. This is the platform yatapuwa naSIS MELLY kuti tiuye panapa and talk about this, and I just hope everyone will benefit from my videos iwayo. So go ahead, kana pana ane questions, feel free you can even come to my Facebook profile, Helen Kajau, and then you inbox me my questions now, then we can bring them here and we discussed or tichenda mberi. I love you all. I hope you find the strength and the wisdom to go through life mone resilience throughout the journey. I love you all, guys. Have a blessed day.